Chevy Silverado EV prototype seen fast charging at EA station. Oh, Electrify America station. Is that like matte black?
It kind of looks like it, eh?
Yeah, it does look like matte black. Well, I think this one is this one is murdered out so that it's less obvious on the road because I guess these are not in the world yet.
No.
But they should be shortly because you've seen them at the auto shows and stuff like that. It is kind of like the Hummer EV, just way less cool looking.
Well, the front looks kind of cool, eh?
No, it's cool. I'm not saying it's not cool, but I'm just saying if you've seen the Hummer EV, which of course I have, then that's just a little bit more fun than the Silverado. That's all I'm saying, Will.
Okay, sure.
I mean, no need to get too upset. But you see what they're doing with the bed of the truck? See how it has that similar kind of overhang thing behind the rear window? But maybe that's the only similarity, really.
It seems really like bottom heavy.
What does this truck?
Yeah.
Yeah, but is that piece of trim even real? No, because I think you would normally have a side step there. And
Sure.
I don't know how much we can
maybe.
judge this exact unit. One of the most anticipated EVs coming this year is the 2023 Chevy Silverado EV. Appears to have fewer exposed or painted cover metal holes in the wheel wells. We have a much closer look at the vehicle thanks to Reddit user Snoo74401. We didn't get any shots of the speed of charging, though GM says it will top out at a whopping 350 kilowatts. Speedy charging. You might even call it whopping, actually. There's a couple cool features I'm interested in. It does look a lot like that one. I'm interested in checking out, including the portion of in the bed there, which is the back seats, which go down to create an even longer load space, which is pretty cool. See, the charge section is almost identical to the Hummer, if you recall. But maybe we'll get a chance to take a look at this one. Although I'm assuming when they send us one, it will not be murdered out like that. Listen, all types of options over here in the electric truck space now. Never mind the Hummer. This is the real mover as far as volume is concerned.
Yes.
Silverado versus F-150 Lightning versus whatever Ram does when they ever do it.
The Rivian?
Well, Rivian,
some would say.
Well, Rivian's a different price point.
Yeah.
Right? That's the thing about Rivian.
You're talking about the everyday.
Yeah, I'm talking about the big part of the market that's looking to those brands to figure stuff out and to get close to that 50 grand as opposed to the 100 grand.